So
I always think
as
about
you
the
guys
short
are
term.
talking to manufacturers, whether you're in the logistics or IT side of it or systems, how much worry do they have with the idea that they're not sure where the distribution channel might be in a few years, or how do they see this change?
Well, I think really what I hear from manufacturers is that it's less concern about competing directly with Amazon than it is about the impact that Amazon is having on their customer base and their distribution base. So, like my colleagues were talking about, like I said earlier as well, the lead times are significant. So even in there's no way that Amazon is going to be delivering an airplane part. I can't imagine. One that, is regulated by ISO 9000, etc. However, the lead times in that industry, every industry I work with, whether it's airline parts or whether it's building products, their lead times are being cut in half at best. And so they're expected to do that. So they're concerned about the impacts, if you will, that Amazon's having on their business and how they can do that, like BJ said, at the least, with the highest margins. How can they provide that value-added service that at a higher margin, or at least the same margin, and with less cash tied up in inventory, which is the other key in both distribution and manufacturing. So that's what they're concerned about, and Amazon is driving that dramatic changes in the expectations, shall we say. I just remembered something that's definitely happening when it comes to manufacturing and thinking about Amazon is if they have sources in China or anywhere, that's across the ocean, it becomes a real challenge to meet that 4-hour delivery time frame. You're certainly not going to meet it if you have to get something from China. So if you have a customized product, you have a lot of different possibilities as to how it might happen. That's becoming less and less viable if you'd like to have customers. Now, you can store a lot, which is one option, but it does cause problems with cash and margin, and if you don't have a good picture of your demand, you may have the wrong things in the wrong place at the wrong time and just make a whole lot less money.